Hello students, today we are going to start lesson number 17, that is question tags. Now let us understand what are the question tags. Read the following sentences. The air pollution levels are increasing. Are the air pollution levels increasing? The air pollution levels are increasing. Aren't they? Now students, the first sentence is a declarative sentence as it states an idea. Now in first sentence we are just giving a information. In the second sentence it is an interrogative sentence because we are asking a question as it asks a question. In the third sentence the first part is again a declarative sentence. However, due to addition of aren't they, it becomes a question. Now see, this part is a declarative sentence. That means this part is stating something. This part is giving you some information. But as we have added this aren't they and a question mark, it is becoming a interrogative sentence. Such group of words are called question tags. A question tag is a group of words that appear at the end of a sentence and changes it to a question. Now question tag जो है वो हमेशा end of the sentence में होता है. As we have seen here, it will always be in the end of the sentence and it changes the declarative. Declarative means a simple sentence which is giving you some information. उसको ये एक interrogative sentence में change करता है. Let us see the examples. Leah has read the book. Hasn't she? Raj is going to the supermarket. Isn't he? You don't like spicy food, do you? Now see, here we are giving some information in the first part and in the second part we are going with a question in all the three sentences. You can say that question tag is a tail of sentence. It is a tail of a sentence. Now let us start question number 1. Underline the question tags in the following sentences. Students, till now you just have to understand what is a question tag. Then after we will learn how to form a question tag. पहले आपको सिर्फ समझना है एंड आइडेंटिफाई करना सीखना है कि क्वेश्चन टैग क्या है. देन आफ्टर हम सीखेंगे कि क्वेश्चन टैग को फॉर्म कैसे करना है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. ए. MS Dhoni is a cricket player. Isn't he? So here isn't he and a question mark is a question tag. B. Tina hasn't slept yet. Has she? So has she is the question tag here. C. Gargi was looking very pretty. Wasn't she? Wasn't she is the question tag here. D. You can sketch cartoons, can't you? So can't you is the question tag here. So students, in this way you have to identify the question tag in the sentence. From E to G you have to complete an homework. Now we will see how to form the question tag. Now look at the following sentences. An ostrich lays the largest egg, doesn't it? An ostrich cannot fly, can it? In the first sentence, the first part is a positive sentence, while the question tag is negative. In the second sentence, the first part is negative, while the question tag is positive. Now students, remember one thing, that if the sentence given is positive, then the question tag will be negative, and if the sentence given is positive, if it is positive, the question tag will be negative, and if the sentence given is negative, then the question tag will be positive. See, here we cannot find out any word like not. So doesn't it? So we have used here doesn't. We have made the question tag negative. But here we can see cannot. So the sentence given here is negative. So we will use can it. Understood, students? We use negative question tags with positive statements and positive question tags with negative statements. Understood, students? Now we will understand the formation of a question tag. Now students, the structure of question tag is helping verb plus pronoun. Now helping verb, what are the helping verbs? Is, am, are, was, were, has, had, have, do, does, did, all these are the helping verbs. So helping verb plus pronoun and a question mark at the end. So this is the compulsory part, that you have to start with the helping word and then you have to end it with a question mark. Understood, students? Now helping verb can be positive or a negative depending on the statement. As we have already understood the rule that if the statement is positive, question tag will be negative, and if the sentence is negative, then question tag will be positive. So now here let us see. Leah has read the book. Now what is the helping verb here? It is has. And the sentence here is positive. So hasn't. Now we have completed the part of helping verb hasn't. We have used hasn't. Now what will be the pronoun? Here we are given Leah. It is a noun. It is the name of a girl. So if it is a girl, for girl we use she. So hasn't she. Understood? Next, Raj is going to the supermarket. What is the helping verb here? It is is. Is the helping verb. Now the sentence given here is positive. So isn't. We will use isn't at the place of helping verb. Now pronoun. How we will identify that which pronoun we have to use? We will see the subject of the sentence. Now here in the subject of the sentence, you are given a noun. That is Raj. Raj is the name of boy. So for boy, we will use he. So isn't he. Next, you don't like spicy food. Students, see, the sentence given is negative. Don't. Don't means do not. So not is used here. It is a negative sentence. That means the question tag will be positive. And the helping verb given here is do. So we will use do at the place of helping verb. Now we will see the subject. Subject here is already a pronoun. यहाँ पे आपको already pronoun दिया हुआ है तो आपको directly लिख देना है. अगर आपको subject की place पे noun है तो आपको उसका pronoun convert करना होगा and लिखना होगा. If it is directly a pronoun given, then you can directly write it. Understood, students? Now we will start with question number 2. Underline the question tags in the sentences below. Write P for positive question tags and N for negative question tags. आपको पहले underline करना है question tag को जो आपको sentences यहाँ पे दिए हैं उसमें. Then after आपको P लिखना है positive question tags के लिए और N लिखना है negative question tags के लिए. So let us start. A. He hasn't played chess for a long time. Has he? Now has he is the question tag. So you will underline here. Now has he. It is a positive because not is not used here. So positive. B. B. We should respect our parents. Shouldn't we? Shouldn't. Should not. So the negation is used here. It is negative. So we will write here N and this is the question tag. C. Reshma will forget to bring the notebook. Won't she? Now won't she is the question tag. First we'll underline this, and then it represents not here. That means it is having a negative word. So we will write here N. So students, in this way you have to identify the question tag, then you have to underline it, and then you have to identify it as a positive or a negative and write here in the blanks. And from D to F you have to complete in your homework.